Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to my channel, That Pixie Girl. And today, before we start this video, I just wanna say thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing, because I just have reached 1000 subscribers, and thank you so much for your love and support. It means a lot to me. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And now I will talk about a new makeup brand that has just launched in India, and all of these products I'll be using today. I just got them in PR. This is not a sponsored video, so whatever I will feel like, I will tell you guys. If I like this product, I will tell you. If I don't like something, I will just tell you honestly. So today I will introduce you to this brand called PROFUSION cosmetics. If you haven't heard of it, you will find it on Nykaa, and this has just launched I think last month. It's been around 20 to 30 days I think, and all of these products I'll be showing you today, I got them in PR, and this is not a sponsored video at all. I will just let you guys know my thoughts on them. So yeah, there are a lot of products that I like. There are a few products that I didn't like that much, so I will be just honest with you. And as you can see, I have created this makeup look with these makeup products, and so I'm just loving the way it's looking, and the makeup has turned out really amazingly. So first I will just show you what I have just received in PRs. And the first thing that I have here with me is the PROFUSION Pro Conceal and Contour palette. Now it comes with 4 color correctors, a yellow, a green, a peach and an orange corrector. Then it has 4 concealers as well, and it has a cream contour. You can use it as a bronzer as well if you want. And on the other side of this palette, you are getting 3 contour powders, 1 bronzer and 4 highlighters, and one of them is a cream highlighter. And it comes with 2 brushes as well, a contour and a concealer brush. Now let's talk about the concealers and the correctors. They are good but not great, I would say. It bunches up a little bit under my eyes and on my crease as well. If I build up too much, it starts creasing and doesn't look good. Texture wise, it's very creamy. If not set, it gets greasy and it starts creasing if you don't set it with a powder. The orange corrector is good. I have used it twice or thrice, and the peach corrector also works fine. So today for my base, I haven't used any foundation, and I have just used the concealers that comes with this palette, and I have used a setting powder that also comes with this palette, and that's it for my base. For my highlighter, I'm not a big fan of the shade Innocent. Dreamy is a cream highlighter that blends like a dream, and I love this highlighter so much. It almost feels like butter when you touch it, and I really like this highlighter. Very easily blendable on my skin, and again it settles into my pores, and it has a tendency to bunch up if you layer it too much. Then I have the Strobe and Glow highlighting palette, and it has 12 different shades for different skin tones. It comes with a separate brush that I believe is very good for contouring purpose. The first shade is Fairy Dust, and it has a blue ship to it that the camera is not catching currently, but it is suitable for fair skin tone. Didn't like the formula of the first row of the 3 highlighter shades, but if you have dusky skin tone or medium to darker skin, the palette is apt for you, especially the shades Glazed, Jolly, 3 Wishes and Elated. They are just my favorite, and they are darker than my skin tone, so I cannot really use them as my highlighter, but I probably I'm gonna use them as my eyeshadows. Today I have used the shade Glazed, and it has shimmer particles to it. Very good for marriage functions, etc. Very shimmery and blinding as well. And again, I don't know why, but it has a weird fragrance to it, and I am not a big fan of it. The next thing that I have is the Amber Eyes eyeshadow palette. This palette is very sturdy, compact, travel friendly, and the matte colors are to die for. Very pigmented, easily blendable, doesn't feel chalky or patchy. The shimmers though I feel not very pigmented and doesn't show up on the skin that much, and not as blinding as I expected. The mattes are amazing, better than a lot of high-end eyeshadow palettes. If you are a matte eyeshadow lover, go and get it. If you want a shimmery eye look, cut crease and all, then you need a separate palette for that. The only thing I would like to mention here is the shadows are a bit powdery, has a little bit of fallout, and I don't really mind it as the shadows are very pigmented and blendable, so I love this eyeshadow palette. And now let's talk about the bronzers and contours. This brand kills it here. This palette has 3 contour shades and a powder bronzer. Best for deeper skin tones, blends very beautifully, looks stunning on the skin, and the color and the undertone is perfect for a lot of Indian skin tones. I feel the bronzer and the contour shades will suit a lot of Indian skin tones, and I always mix the lighter and the medium shade and use it on my skin, and I love it so much. But again, one thing I would like to mention here, the smell of this palette, I mean the products are not really pleasant and I don't like the smell of it, not at all. Then I have the mixed metal lips in the shade Cocoa, and it has a matte lip liner, a matte lip cream, and a metal matte lip cream. The lip liner is pigmented, the color payoff is nice, it glides on lips very smoothly, and so is the lip cream. And guys, I have purchased the Profusion blush bronzer palette few days back, and so we'll be doing a different review video on that palette if you are interested. So definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I would love to do that for you. So yeah, let me know. The matte lip cream I liked. The color is beautiful, not patchy, good color payoff. At first I felt it was a little bit sticky when I applied it, like it has a slight tacky feeling to it. After it settled down, it sets on place and not uncomfortable on the lips at all. The same thing goes with the metal matte lip cream as well. The formula is the same as the previous one, but the color, I don't prefer this kind of colors on me, and I don't like metal lipstick on me for some reason. This is just a personal preference, so if you like metallic lipsticks, just go for it. I don't like it, but I don't hate it as well. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.